you'll be getting a RGB gaming keyboard along with a mouse. This RGB keyboard costs you around 1400.
Welcome to Pranav's channel. Actually, Nandan's channel.
Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we have made PC build costing of 1,20,000. My bro will explain what are the components that are going inside this beast.
Hello, welcome to Dr. Technosaurus channel. I have built a PC for this guy. Okay, this PC is costing about 1,25,000. He's made this PC for video editing, rendering and all, but he's making good in YouTube videos also. So basically we have used i7 11th generation 11700K, which is unlocked processor. The basic base turbo speed is 3.6 GHz and maximum is 5 GHz. And we have used the MSI motherboards because we tried to build it in a MSI format, so MSI theme. So Z590A Pro Gaming 11700K. RAMs are used of 16 gigs of 3600 megahertz RAM of Corsair, and liquid cooling is being used for MSI Mag Core Liquid 240R. You can see a video here. You have a full ARGB. You can show the sidewise of the, which is open. Okay.
These colors are adjustable, right sir?
Yes, those are addressable ARGB. The case is Forge 100R, which is about ARGB. And you can see the price drop in the GPUs. 3060 Ti, which is
How much are you costing for this, sir?
This is only 45,000 right now. You know, because of mining, it has gone up to 75 last month. You can see. So sir has got it for only 45K. Very lucky. And this is the right time to build a PC if you are looking for a PC. Basically higher end PCs because of GPU drop. And you can show here also. If you can see this PC, fully ARGB sync. You can show them.
Neat and clean, wonderful cabinet. We get 4 RGB fans with
2 are of liquid coolers and 2 belongs to cabin, and 1 is exhaust fan, which is not at all lighting, RGB or ARGB, nothing. And for this we have used 650 watts of bronze MSI SMPS. We also tried to give him 3060 Ti of MSI, but because we don't have any stock right now in MSI, we have given Asus, which is, you can say it is far better than anything. For storage we have used 2 TB of WD Western Digital, 7200 RPM of hard disk, and 500 GB Samsung SSD for booting and speed.
So if you buy a PC from this store, you'll be getting a RGB gaming keyboard along with a mouse. This RGB keyboard costs you around 1400. And to avail this combo, you should just mention our channel name when you visit the store, and you can avail this combo gift. The experience in the store was very good, and the PC build looks very neat and clean.
And you can get your PC built at a very good price.